Right, so first thing we're going to do is get you logged on to our website. Up here in the address bar, after the .us, it's /WP. On there it popped up -admin. Hit enter, and that's going to take you in to the login so you can edit the web page on WordPress. Unfortunately, the username has to stay my name, and I'm sorry, and I'll get you this password. So, log in, and it takes you to our dashboard. This is where you'll do everything. I really don't fool with a whole lot that's in here. Basically, I just do posts and events. So if I go to events, here you can see where I've already added all these council meetings and work sessions. If they weren't here already, all you would do is hit add new. And then all I did for these so far was just put in monthly meeting or whatever, and then set the date. And that's all I did. But since they're already there, once you've created that event, since this is going to be, let's see, June 28th, council meeting. So this looks exactly like what we were just in when we had clicked add new. Council meeting, this is where we want to add the agenda. I'm going to click visual and now add media. Actually, back up. First thing I did was went to my email and got the agenda from Wendy. I have it in Word, but I always like to turn it into a PDF. So let's see, we'll put it on the desktop real quick. And I'll change the name to June Agenda. And we can do 2018. I mean, just some way you can find it. So anyway, there it'll be on the, whoop, did not change it to PDF. Let's try again. PDF, there we go. Now it'll be there. There it is. So, back to our website. I can close all this out. Here we are, add media. And you can see where I've put in the agendas and stuff. So we want to upload a file. You can either drag one in or just click select. It automatically brought up my desktop. We're looking for June agenda. Make sure it's the PDF. There you see it's coming in. All right, insert into post. Working, I hope. Working. Well. Let's try that again. I guess I did not have that selected. Sorry about that. So insert into post. There it is. All right. Now I'm going to click here. We don't want that to show up on the website. We want to click edit. And then this little gear for link options. And let's just make it say June agenda. You can click this if you want it to open in a new tab. It doesn't matter. I'll hit update. Now, there's one other part that we need to change. Oh, never mind. It's under text. This is the HTML of how you get to whatever the link. This is the hardest thing you'll have to do. Let's see, sorry about that. Web links, maybe. Field trips, SOL. There it is. Stuff. So for the Iron Gate page, we have to add class equals button in parentheses. And I've just kept this here because I just copy it from here. copy. You see where it goes? It's going to go after the A and before the href. After the A and before the href. Now, the reason I do this is it creates a nice looking button that looks similar to this update. Just puts it in that blue highlight. And if I click update, alright, so there it is. Now we can go view the website. If we could just click here, whoops. Here we are, back at the page. And this will stay up top if you're logged in, which is nice. And if you leave it to like keep it to remember you, like on Chrome or something, it'll just always log you in. So we'll see if this worked. Scroll down. Council meeting. These links automatically appear on the home page. I don't do any of this. They just pop up under events. John has set up all this. Same thing here with announcements. When you do a post, it automatically comes here, which I see I need to delete some stuff. You don't have to do any of this part. It generates it itself. So if I click council meeting, let's see if what I did worked. Cool, there it is, June agenda in that cool blue button like I was saying. If we click it, there we go. There's the agenda. And honestly, this is really the bulk of what I do with the website, or have the power to do, or the ability to do, I should say. John has done all of these graphics, and like I said, all this stuff automatically generates. Let's see, if we go to the dashboard, we need to clean up a little bit. So if we go to posts, like the notice of public hearing, let's click and see when that was. Since we vote already, I guess we don't have to worry about that. I'm going to go back and look real quick. See if I can safely remove these. I might leave that on here. Water rates. Nope, never mind. All of these can come off. Sorry, I'm kind of rambling. It took me a while to get the hang of this, and it likely will take you that as well. Maybe not. So, notice of public hearing on the budget. You can just click these. I will leave that November election there. That needs to stay. Actually, I think that ship has sailed as well, but I don't want to delete it just yet. Let's see. Bulk action. Move to trash. Maybe. Move to trash. Oh, apply. Oh, it's right there. Cool. Now if we go back to the website, not the dashboard, but the website. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. The November election deadline. Tuesday, June 12th. Okay, that ship has also sailed. So, let's get rid of this. Oh, cool. Just takes me straight to it. And thought we could just trash it from here. I did not need to click that, but whatever. All right, so now all of your posts are gone until you guys have another public hearing or whatever, and you want to keep something under your latest announcements. Sorry we couldn't find any posts. It's because I just deleted them all. So there you go. I mean, that's kind of everything that you'll ever need to mess with. And if you need help, feel free to email me. Like this annual drinking water report John has always done for me. All we do is shoot him an email. And I can get you all that information too. All right. If you need anything else, let me know.